FitLabPGH back with a movement tip lifestyle hack, promoting the ethos that movement is a lifestyle, not just an activity. And to fuel our active lifestyles for the month of January, we're going to give you different recipes that we use. We're not dietitians, but these are things that we like to eat because A, they taste good, and B, they're reasonably healthy for us. So our regular breakfast are steel-cut oats. We like the texture of steel-cut oats better than regular oats or quick oats. We prepare them the night before by letting the oats soak in the water, so it takes about 15 minutes to cook. You'll see the recipe, and I kind of hack them or put my own stuff in because the steel-cut oats also have protein powder in them. They have a cup of berries. In this case, it's a half cup of cranberries, a half cup of blueberries, a teaspoon of maple syrup, and a tablespoon of granola for crunch. So move more, move often, and find something that works for you that's a healthy, tasty breakfast.